Hi everyone, just wanted to post a little video about how to take apart these Bosch injectors. They're 0280150 style. I think they made these with various different styles, but this basic design. So if you get a kit, what you're going to need to do is remove the filter and the cap. Here's one I've already done. And all you will need is a screw and some pliers. So first off, the filter, you're going to take your screw, pop it in the vise, just like that. So we've got a screw in the vise. I'm going to grab our injector, this one, take it over here, screw it in. Screw it in about 15mm-ish, 10mm, 15mm, and then I'm just going to rock it and pull. Boom, just like that. So we've got the filter out. Now the plastic cap is a bit tricky. You can see one of them came off alright, this one got destroyed. But the most important thing is that you don't damage these surfaces at all, because you won't have a hope in hell of sealing that up again. So just be very careful. Now let me just put you down. Okay, so I'm going to try and grab on the side like this with my little pliers. So again, try not to damage the metal part. Again, just pinch and twist and push, and don't go crazy. Oh, we've got some movement. Boom. There we go. Perfect. Undamaged. And we just need to clean her up.